Performing regression analysis in Microsoft Excel involves using the built-in data analysis tool. Here's a step-by-step guide to conducting linear regression analysis in Excel. Prepare your data. Organize your data into columns, with one column for the dependent variable, y, and one or more columns for independent variables, x1, x2, etc. Make sure your data is clean, with no missing values, and arranged in a tabular format. Enable Data Analysis tool. If you haven't already, you may need to enable the Data Analysis toolpack in Excel. Go to the File tab, Options, Add-ins, select Excel Add-ins from the drop-down, click Go, check Analysis toolpack, click OK. Open Data Analysis tool. Once the Data Analysis toolpack is enabled, go to the Data tab in Excel. Click on Data Analysis in the Analysis group. It should now appear if the toolpack is enabled. Select Regression Analysis. In the Data Analysis dialog box, select Regression from the list of analysis tools. Click OK to open the regression dialog box. Set regression parameters. In the regression dialog box, you'll need to specify the input range for your y variable, dependent variable, and x variables, independent variables. You can also choose to include labels if your data has column headers. Select an output range where you want the regression results to appear. This will include coefficients, residuals, ANOVA table, etc. Choose Options, Optional. The regression dialog box also allows you to specify additional options such as confidence level, residuals, and line fit plots. You can choose these based on your analysis needs. Run regression analysis. Once you've set the parameters and options, click OK to run the regression analysis. Excel will generate the regression output in the specified output range, including coefficients, standard errors, R-squared value, and other statistical metrics. Interpret results. Review the regression output to interpret the results. Pay attention to coefficients, p-values, R-squared value, goodness of fit, and any other relevant statistics to understand the relationship between variables. Excel's regression tool provides a basic framework for linear regression analysis. For more advanced regression techniques or specialized analysis, example, logistic regression, you may need to use statistical software like R, Python with libraries such as Pandas and scikit-learn, or dedicated statistical packages.